How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly talking you through on how you can find a lost or stolen iPhone. Now, for this, you are going to want to make sure that the Android phone that you have lost is logged in with your Google account, okay? Without that, it's quite, impossible. But yeah, when it's logged in with your Google account, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your search bar, and what you're going to do is you are going to write google.com/Android/find. Okay, you're gonna write that in. Now, once you write that in, it's gonna bring you here. Okay, now normally it's gonna ask you to log in with the account, but as you can see, I'm logged in with the account right now. Now, if the device is on, it's gonna contact that device, and once you contact that device, what's gonna happen is it's going to locate it, and wherever it's found, it's going to obviously pinpoint that location, and you can go into that exact location to find your phone. It's that easy. And you can also play a sound on it. So if it connects, you can, play a sound, and it constantly plays. And that's pretty much about how you can find a lost Android phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.